the video.
Get this fancy setup.
My wife sees the wine shop. Yeah, we're stuck in his car forever. Drive here. Everybody's leaving me out. We haven't had a shower.
This is sourdough bread. Very delicate butter, fancy. My 24K cocktail. Social kayong atong kananan today guys. No kiddos. Lagi bantayan sa ilang grandma grandpa. So here maybe Anibersary prime seed. Here.
Oh, it is 7:30.
Tapos ang mga on debuters. Siya guys. Wait, area pa dyan sila. Look at the cocktail shrimp nila now.
Shrimp tail on cucumber. With
Yeah.
mayonnaise and some other stuff.
Allergy, oh. There's no allergy on food. Do you know what's your allergy? Video. So this is compliment from the chef, guys, since it's our anniversary celebration. That good, love? Magpinasosyal ta, maskin dugyot ta. So you're gonna eat it daw with cucumber and all this. Kung sa to pa ni pipino rin o pasayan, guys. Tapos with sagbot-sagbot. Thank you. Gede sosial. Lakas sosial. Calamari nila, no? So crunchy. Tagad. So naa siya crispy noodles. Thank you. So dati nag-serve na sa mga. So naa siya crispy noodles, guys. Tapos na yung mga gulay-gulay, na carrots. Noodles na siya. So laman na siya crispy noodles. Kung na may bihon diha, crispy na pagtuha mo na ng resulta crispy noodles. Tapos alam-alam siya na isili. Very delicious. Thank you, love. Caesar salad.
There's your Brussels sprouts. Both of these bowls are very hot for you.
Thank you.
Red rice.
Thank you.
Yeah, is there anything else that I could provide for you?
Thank you very
Very
much.
good. Tapos guys, filet mignon with the lobster tail. So with the setup. Hindot nisa guys kaya pinasusil dito kayo. Kadalain nga.
Rice is life.
Rice is life. Can't live without my husband na no nahanda. My ano.
Do you want some Brussels sprouts?
Just little. Oh, they put the cashew too? Kasoy. Kasoy guys. Kung sa pa kasoy. Look at the sea bass. Daddy is sea bass. Rice is life. Lobster and steak.
You got your entree.
Hindi kailangan. Lobster tail. Maraming unod. And my steak is medium well. Little pink. This one. Kanang ingon lagi nga ulit nga rice is life tanawa. Isa ra gyud kay pugsara na kaon, kadaghan nga naguna nga pagkaon. Nay. Cheese. Tablet. Sa muli kami guys, so far good ang experience din hiya sa ilahang tananan na pinasosyan ana nga on debuters. Yan po. So another bring house. So na siya live nga kuan. Music. Thank you. So, oh, right here lang. So, downtown. Downtown. There, ha. We're here. Kita mo ng building na murag kuan. Murag
Your
ka na.
destination is on the left.
Bagal. Destination is on the left daw. It's nice. So we're going that building, guys. So here we guys. No video, no recording daw in the side. So right here. So ayan, hagianan guys. Uy. So look at guys, online theater. Later, dili na pwede mag-recording. So right here. Bawal na mag-recording. So break time pa siya guys. Oh, nadara. Doon siya. That's the city. Downtown. Oh look, you can see. Video na ani. So nana siya po guys. So napa siya sa babaw. Nana siya guys. Nagdara sa babaw. Nice. So break time siya guys. So video. So ayan na siya guys. We're in the heart of the city. So far guys, the kuan kini na performing arts nga Shen yun. It mag-perform ni sa inyong estates. For now they are in Kansas. It's very amazing guys. Amazing experience. They're really good performers. So far, I guess I give you 10 out of 10 for your. He's giving me a second anniversary date.
10 out of 10. That's awful.
That's awful.
Need a 12 out.
Okay, 5. So, the time is oras time check 9:53. Mega shout out to my kuan, to my in-laws who's watching the kids tonight. They have a sleepover so we could have a time together. So mao na siya guys. Muna ang Kapman Center. Uba-ubao diha oh. Murag kuan ang iyang kuan. Yang building kakaiba. Kakaiba nga building. Yep, may parusa si daddy. Butang na ina ako din ako parusa. So, I have a great experience for that Shen yun performing arts guys. So, pag naana sa inyong state, you should check it out because it's very nice. Eh? How was your experience? Do you like my dancing in there?
You're dancing.
Very nice mag... Oh gosh! So you will give me 20 out of 20?
Yeah.
Never being stupid here guys. So good night guys! Share lang si Manang. See you dad. Lang Ferris wheel.
No, I need you to say, Jeremy, you're
I'm doing.
perfect. I gotta get it on video.
Okay, you're always right.
Oh, I know.
Because guys, I really don't want to go to this performing arts because I'm gonna it's like I don't want it because I'm very lame, but I'm glad that my husband is insisting. He's the best. He's right all the time.
All the time.
Yeah. I'm glad really guys. It's really good experience. So bye-bye. Kanina ako si Babay nagyod.
Oh no, I need to
So
keep.
guys, okay lang ba nina after my husband take me to a date? He said, I will stay here in the car, sleep. I don't know what he really what you doing. Because this is not, because time change na nami guys. So, karon 10:02 na, 10:02 na, dinihan time change man. Kung ba nami, diri naman daw ko patulugon ani. Diri naman siguro ko patulugon. Nit pa gid kayo oh. Ana siya nga, can you give me time? 5 minutes kay mag-set pa na sa kandil-kandil nga, kandil-kandil pa ni muran matanig. Muran matanig nabalik na naguyab-uyab, Ginoo. Nihangyo pa jud ay siya nga. Maybe 10 minutes because I will poop. Hoy. It's me so I'm gonna be staying here for another 10 minutes. So the time now is 10:07, so it's gonna be 10:17. Ay, naku. Ambot, I don't know what he's doing. He's sit up lang daw siya kandil. Makandil-kandil pa. Napa siya pakulog kanina, guys. Oh, wala ka na sa tumbuhan na po. Oh, ang moon. Moon. Oh. Nga siya pa, kuan na siya ngit-ngit. Dari anak ko sa light. Sa, ano. Napa siya pabuwak-buwak ganina. Oh, sa Rose, akong gibinuangan. Kaya gisundo man ko niya dito sa iyang mama. So, kuan ambot, ano yun? Saan yun pakulo eh? So, can you wait for me? Here in the car. Kahit go para ako inside. Sulti na lang dong. O, dari na lang ko ng patulugon. Di na lang mag-surprise unsa ning surprise niya din ha. Kandil ra gud siguro na guys. Kandil ra siguro na ba iyang pang silaban. Inuko ko niya kung bana oy ambot nimo. So, mo na ang story guys. Mo dugi mi sa kung bana, ambot na lang. Ambot na lang unsa mo nahunaan. Oh gosh, gilak ka jud ko. Tingo ba nang kuan ang car ay. Hayag gyapon ang atong buwan. Ayun ako, naunsa naman siya amahan oy. Di na lang unta mag-surprise na unsa na din siya mag-dilab siguro ni sa mong balay ginuupos ang bako. Di ba kay maklaro dayo wa na atong video. Magsulti na lang no og diri na lang ko niya papalugon sa gawas. Di na lang mag-ingon-ingon na 10 minutes stay in the car. 10 minutes kay nadungan man magpupo daw siya. Instead 5 minutes versus can you wait in the car? Because I'm gonna set up something, maybe candle. Set up something before I go inside. So nihangyo pa jud like, oh maybe 10 minutes because I will poop. So nadungan ka no. Let's see what is gonna sit up guys. Ambot ni amahan ginoo ko. Mega shout out sa akong mother-in-law. They're watching the kids guys, so that's why we have a date. Second date for our anniversary with my palalabs, and then also they're giving us money. So daddy take me dakuan English kasi man gahit mo kay English. Kuan mi nagpa-social na restaurant. So mauto ang gibayad. Thank you for the delicious dinner and watching the kids to mom. And thank you very much guys. Let's wait what daddy is doing. What amahan is doing. Sit up ko no hi no dong. Guys, finally niingon ang amahan. Come on in. The time is kuan na. Hi. 30 kanis amahan. Let's see guys. Ma-video ko because para makuan daw be. Unsa ni ihang kiat-kiat nga kuan. Wait in the kuan. Tantada na kuan ang simlang. Buta ning amahan oy. Mura na man first time nga anniversary. Nagagara naman ni sa kuha go noon. Unsa ka ni ihang gikuan sit up. Oy. Oh, daddy, you're so sweet. Look at guys. Oh. Feels like our honeymoon. Thank you. Put fire too. Mag-bake na dun may nagbibi number 3. Look at that guys. He's off day, half off day siya. Today para mag-sit up aning. Kuan ito. Awar ko din kalaki guys. Oh. Guys. Oh. Papay siya pa roast. Kita to he did in our bed. Oh, napak ni just. Papay siya pa roast din ha. Oh. Ay, nagka-sweet si daddy. Look. Yun na pa siya sa drawer. Oh. Manang. Oh, that's beautiful roses. Thank you, my loves.
Mega shout out. Thank you very much to my brother-in-law and his wife Sarah nga gipanghatag ra gyud nilang candles. They just give it away ra gyud to daddy para daw sa among anniversary kining mahumot kaayo nga candles guys. Kung gusto mo palit PM mi, dari na gyud ko magbaligya mi. PM is the key. Bitaw guys, humot kay ilang candles. Kato bitong galing niya nga daghan kay candles guys nga gipangsilaaban sa kumbana kay mag-surprise. Ay, candles to sa iyahang brother ug iyahang sister-in-law. Humot kaayo. Labi na ganahan kay ko atong smell sa atong sa to coconut verbena. Basta humot siya guys kasi siya nga flavor. Kung gusto mo mag-check out sa ilahang kuan, sa ilahang mga candles, wala sila gabaligya silang candles. Hasta daghana sa gi panghatag. Oy. Mura na mi ani, mura kuan na to. Kuan na 1 year supply na gyud ni na scented candles. Thank you very much guys. Og flex lang nako ang mga fresh nga mga guava na mga bulak na gipamalit ni amahan o nag-video. So kuan na din siya guys sa kabuntagon na ni pagmata ni manang wa pa kapanghimuta nagvideo na gipang flex na ang mga buwak. Oy, sayang man pud nato na di nato i-flex kay mga nindot ra biya sayang ang effort niya mahan. Kung nahibalan ako nga nag-half day dai siya og trabaho, nag-atik-atik ra dayto ang iyahang paabot og 5 minutes nga nahimong 10 minutes kay malibang pa raw siya. Pero naka-set up na ri siya daan iyahan lang gipang silaban ang mga kandila. Pero ang kini mga buwak og katong mga petals nga iyang gipang laray sa loob og sa bed ihan na tong gihimo ni ay pagkahapdi lang jud tay ay samahan ni uli para mag sit up. Thank you very much husband, nagka-sweet man oy, mura man tag bagong honeymoon ani oy, mura man tag bagong aning kasal. Ay just me yung ginasamahan kay wa man daw milaag, so dali daw siya magbungga-bungga daw siya og kuan paspit sweet nya human guys. bantog di agi pasundo mi sa iyahang mama kami sa mga bata dito sa ilahang balay sa iyang mama ug papa kay ang plano di ay nila sa iyahang mama nagchat-chat day sila nga magsayo siya og uli maghapdi lang siya sa trabaho kay mao na din iyang plano mag-sit up daan sa mga buwak sa candles sa mga unsa pa na siya tapos naglimpyo pa jud siya sa balay guys naglimpyo siya atong matag namo kay iyang plano pod pag makuha na daw ni ang mga hospitals pa jud ang bigatla iyahan bitang hospitals ang bat na ako ay charing kaayo makasana aus kaihion punta sa kilig ani dali ay tama na dali ba kilig na ko ba pasag bigata tapos wala to siya guys tapos mo siguro to gipapaabot na ko niya atong 5 minutes to 10 minutes na 10 minutes kay malibang pa siya kay mo siguro to magsilaab lang siya sa kandila pero all in all sa mga sit up na himo na niya pagkahapdi niya sa trabaho so mao lang siya guys akong gi-share kay na surprise sa inahan kay first time pa man ni sa siyam katuig lagi kaihi og kilig ay wa naman migay kay kasagaran man ni ani mag anniversary kasagaran mo lakaw mi na milaagan or unsa karon nagyud siya natuig na diri arami wala na gud ko na expect na unsa pa ni pambuhaton guys kay ako okay naman to kay nga umi sa mga bata happy naman kay ko ato ay pasan gyud akong picture kay mao na gyud to ang akong giasahan basta mo lahutay lang taong pila ka tuig sa tong kaminyoon way buwagay way awayay na unsa pa pangaway na magahi akong papangig in English so mo to siya happy naman ta ko ato niya man gi-extend pag yun niyang effort so kini gyud atong bana nga kuan bitaw og effort no ma-appreciate yun nato kaayo so thank you very much daddy my loving husband sweet husband very responsible father thank you very much love very much appreciated I love you so much and happy anniversary ay kay God
That looks good. Yep. Sundo time sa mga bugoy since si daddy nag-take a day off so here mi sa Toothless Doors na bake shop, authentic bake shop si daddy and then para po makapilaw ang akong ugangan ani nga pasty lami siya guys lami gidala ko na rin amahan katong birthday so now pag nag-request si mother na mato ta dito usab dito ta mamahaw so dira mi nang kape happy Friday everyone.
Is that fun?
Ulit na mi. Kuha na mo mga batuti.
And tomorrow...
What do you put in your tummy, Matias? Look at Matias' tummy. You put his hands. Yep, raining me.
Tomorrow we're gonna go
They
to
take
Grandma and
off
Grandpa's
today.
to help them.
Ulit na. Mga overnighters, oh. Bit-bit me sa ilahang bag. Grabe sa kuan, oh. Kusog kayong ulan ug hangin. Ang punuan yan mag-start na unta mag-flower na nga tangtang oh. Hopefully flower naman sa kuan oh sa punuan. Said that's what daddy said. Look at this rose petal everywhere. Because daddy kuan a surprise for mommy last night. That's why we didn't clean it pa oh. Do you see rose petals, Matias? Yeah. Everywhere in the house, even mommy's room. Daddy just want to be sweet and nice. Yes, you have a great time at Grandma's? Yeah, sure you guys have great time. Marshmallows, pizza, oy, chocolate popsicle.
This is snake.
Oh gosh, and he brings snake. How about Siko? You have a great time with Grandma?
I didn't bring anything.
I know. You have a great time with Grandma? Uy, pagsisa din. Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Grandma, thank you.
Love you. Yes.
I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms. this beautiful day, and you're smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.